look. It looks like it's empty. It's empty, the little belly button. Look, it's an empty belly button. It's an empty little belly button. Is there anything left on that little belly button? Okay. Daddy has to eat a nut, okay?
No, I eat now.
Oh, there's another one. There is another one.
What's in Harlow's... Oh! What? Is that in Harlow's belly?
But it's back. You have to chew it. Oh, this is yummy.
Not Dada.
Harlow, can you give Dada a kiss? Give Dada a kiss. A chocolate
Here,
kiss.
push it. 1, 2. It's back again.
Oh.
Wow. That's a good belly button. We have to show Grandma. Because next time she just ticks you up and just squeezes you over the board.
Oh.
Hmm?
Can you give Dada a kiss? Chocolate kiss?
Not with that chocolate face. No, no,
Oh,
no, no.
yes. Chocolate kiss. Chocolate
no
kiss.
No kiss. No, 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 no. We don't want any kisses from Harlow. Harlow has a chocolate mouth.